Okay, so really quickly, your TPV charts, it says that you can turn a table or coordinate pairs into an equation, and I will do so by writing the term next to parentheses. I can also use coordinate pairs. I'm about to show you how that works. Find the pattern in X and Y columns. Second, calculate rate of change, which is delta Y over delta X. Then write that, which is the rate of change, in each set of parentheses. Rate of change, ROC equals M. You'll see that down here in your rate of change formula and also in the process column. Hold on. Step D says to add or subtract to reach the Y values. And then write your equation in Y equals MX plus B form. We just did this, did we not? Now, I have an X and a Y. Do I have an X and a Y here?
Wait, yes.
Yes. Do I have an X and a Y here?
Yes.
And an X and a Y here?
Yes.
And an X and a Y here?
Yes.
So can I make my own table from these points?
Yes.
I can. Let's do so. Possibly.
Oh, you stream right now? You can stream right now. Well, yeah.
Okay, you need 3 columns. The middle one needs to be the fattest. Term. I'm talking about columns on paper. Term, process, value. Tell them. The process, or the columns, Mom. TPV, that's where we get it from. So, what goes at the very top here? What values am I putting here?
Y. I mean X.
X comes first. What values am I putting over here?
Y.
Y. What am I doing to the X?
You are multiplying. You're
Multiplying by M and then adding B. Okay? So the first point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. First X is -1. What's the next one?
0.
Then,
1.
then,
2.
-1, 0, 1, 2. First Y is 2, then 4, 6, and 8.
Oh, it's by 2. I still multiply by 2.
That one is, but it's not just directly. If I multiply -1 by 2, I am not going to get a +2. So I have to do something else to it. That's why I have to do the process. I hope y'all are paying attention. Okay, so step A says to write the term.
Next to the parentheses.
Okay, here are my terms. Here are my parentheses. Parentheses, -1. Parentheses, 0. Parentheses, 1. Parentheses, 2. I'm putting parentheses here because I'm going to multiply by whatever number I get here. Second step.
Find out the repetition.
The repetition or the, go ahead,
X and Y.
pattern in X and Y. How do I get from -1 to 0?
Add 1. Add 1.
+1 over here. How do I get from 2 to 4?
+2.
+2 over here.
Oh, it's almost like the last one, but
It's almost like the last one, but different. The numbers are flipped, so this is going to be its what? It starts with an R.
Oh, ROC.
Nope. Reciprocal. Good. Excuse you. Are you paying attention?
I'm paying attention.
Whatever that is on the floor needs to get picked up, thrown away, and then you need to get back to work. Okay. Rate of change. How is my Y changing?
It's changing by +1.
Why?
The Y is +2.
The Y is +2. Guys, delta Y is over here. Delta X is over here because this is the X column. This is the Y column.
Oh.
Okay, so my 2
I have to
goes over the 1. Can I simplify or divide?
No. Yeah. Oh, it's going to be +2.
It's just going to be 2. Okay, now where do I put the 2? I'm not dividing by 2.
You put the 2 in the parentheses.
Whoops. 2, 2, 2, 2.
Yeah. Now it's mostly my question. Now we have to flip that.
This is, more than likely going to change from one table to the next, or from one set of coordinate points to the next. Okay, so I'm trying to find the equation. The equations aren't always going to be the same. They're not always going to be that y equals negative, or y equals 1/2 x plus 2. They could be y equals 5x minus 7. Y equals 22x plus 14. Okay, they can be anything. So I have to find out the pattern in x and the pattern in y to determine my rate of change, and then figure out what they did to the x to get the y. Okay, so I've got 2 times negative 1, which is...
Plus 4.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, it's equal to m. It's equal to m.
Negative 2. Then how do I get from negative 2 to 2?
Plus 4. Plus 4.
Now I want the plus 4. 2 times 0.
0.
0. How do I get from 0 to 4?
4.
Add 4. 2 times 1.
2.
How do I get from 2?
Plus 4.
It looks like you've discovered the constant. 2 times 2?
4.
Then plus 4. So now, real quick, my equation is y equals...
Y equals plus 4.
Hold up.
No, it's y equals mx plus b.
Y equals mx plus b. What is 2?
2 is gonna be plus. 2 is gonna be. It's the parentheses.
What is 2? What is 1/2 in the previous
It's the
problem?
RC.
Which is also m. So what is 2? It's m. So y equals
M.
2 what?
2
X plus 4. I hear you. There is my equation.
Why do we take out the minus? I know we always, whenever you convert it to the y equals, you always have to take out the frozen.
I'm not writing anything yet. So first I write my terms next to my parentheses. So negative 5, negative 2, 0, 3, 5.
11.
Stay focused. Now, how do I get from negative 5 to negative 2?
Plus 3.
Plus 3. You're adding 3 here. What are you adding here, though? Is it supposed to be 0? Hold on. Did I write this down correctly?
No, it's not right because it's 9. It's plus 9.
I wrote something down
No,
wrong.
because 3 to 5. 3. Yeah, I know you did it wrong. But negative 7 plus 9 equals 6. Negative 6.
Excuse you. Hold on. Okay, so then this one's going to look a little different. So here I go from negative 2 to 1, I'm adding 2, and then here I'm adding 3, and then here I'm adding 2. So then over here I have negative 16 and negative 7. What is that? Plus 9. Good. And then from negative 7 to negative 1. Plus 6. Good. Then from negative 1 to 8. Good. And then from 8 to 14. Plus 6. Do you see a pattern now? Yes. 3, 2, 3, 2, 9, 6, 9, 6. Delta y, watch, over delta x. I can put 9 over whom? Who goes with 9? 3. Which is what? 3. Or I can put delta y over delta x, which is 6 over 2. Which is what?
3.
3. Slow down, Miss Starling.
I'm still like, I can't get it.
Did I get a different rate of change? No. I just have to make sure that I match each point with the proper, well, match each rate of change, or part of change, delta, with its proper delta. So 9 and 3, 6 and 2. 9 and 3, 6 and 2. Hold on. Don't shout out any answers yet. Now, what's the rate of change and where do I put it?
You put it.
3, put it in the parentheses.
So, oh yeah. Are these problems on the practice?
No, you'll have practice on these next week.
Oh, we don't have to do that on the test?
No way.
Oh.
Somebody already asked
I
that.
was like, how are you doing this?
Yeah, no, I wouldn't ever. Okay. Yes, I'm slowing down. Pay attention. Okay, talking isn't going to help you catch up faster. Are you caught up?
Yes.
Okay. So now what do I do?
You're supposed to put the equal sign.
I put what it equals. 3 times who?
3 times 5, -5.
Which is?
-15.
-15. 3 times -2. 3 times 0.
0.
3 times 3.
9.
And 3 times 5.
15.
How do I get from -15 to -16? Am I adding 1? Oh, -1. How do I get from -6 to -7? -1. 0 to -1. What is my constant? -1, -1. Okay? So y equals,
-1.
hold on, mx plus b. Y equals, what is my m? 3 who?
3x.
3x.
Plus -1.
Not plus -1, just -1. I don't want those double signs, okay? It's confusing, it gets messy, I don't want to do all of that.
We can just put -1.